Want to earn money without stepping out of your house? Let's dive into some simple ways to start making cash right from your couch. First up is freelancing. If you have a skill like writing, graphic design, video editing, or even voiceover work, you can sign up on platforms like Fiverr, Upwork, or Freelancer. It's a fantastic way to get paid for your talents, and the best part? You set your own rates and work on your own schedule. Next, consider creating digital products. Think ebooks, online courses, or printable planners, anything that people can download and use. Once you create these products, you can sell them over and over again on platforms like Etsy, Gumroad, or Teachable. This is a great way to build passive income. Imagine making money while you sleep. Speaking of income, remote jobs are booming right now. There are tons of full-time and part-time positions you can do from home, ranging from customer service to tech support and marketing. Websites like We Work Remotely, Remote OK, and LinkedIn are gold mines for finding jobs that match your skills. Another solid option is building passive income streams. Blogging, starting a YouTube channel, or diving into affiliate marketing can be incredibly rewarding. Sure, these take time to grow, but once they're established, they can provide a steady income without much ongoing effort. And let's not forget about selling stuff online. If you have clothes, gadgets, or furniture lying around that you no longer use, platforms like eBay, Poshmark, or Facebook Marketplace make it easy to turn that clutter into cash. It's quick, simple, and a great way to declutter while making some extra money. So, whether you're looking to earn a little side income or transition to a full-time remote job, the opportunities are real and right at your fingertips. Which one will you try first?